Hello everyone, I highly recommend you watch my introduction to synthesis video before watching this video. In my intro to synthesis video, I talk about tools that you can use with cutting, working backwards, working forwards to see how you would approach each problem. And now in this video, I'm going to go over many different examples so that way hopefully it'll make it easier for you. Now, one thing I will ask of you before you watch this video is to please watch all my other reaction videos and know them very well. If you do not know the reactions well, halogenation, halohydrin, oxymercuration, and so forth, it's going to be very difficult for you to do synthesis. Why? Well, you want to know and you want to be able to predict the products and then see how you can get to your end goal, right? Because they're going to tell you you're beginning with this molecule, make this one. And so if you don't know what each reaction produces, it's going to be very difficult or if impossible to do synthesis. So know those very well and then come back to this video. So let's begin actual synthesis. So again, I'm showing you my what I'm beginning with and what I want to produce. Now, how would I approach this problem? Well, I would make an alkene first. So I would use POCl3 pyridine, DBU, H2SO4. Point is I would make my alkene. And from there, what reaction do we know that would produce our product? We could use Br2. If we do Br2, then we're going to have our product. So again, you need to know your reactions to do this. Now, look at number 2. What could I do? Well, again, I could make an alkene. And once I make my alkene, then I could use HBr, and then again, I could have my Br. What about in this reaction? Well, I could have my alkene. And then what reaction can I use? Well, if I do 1BH3, 2H2O2OH, then I can have my OH on the least substituted carbon and have my product. Well, what about number 4? Well, again, I can make an alkene of some sort. And then when I have my alkene, then I could react and do oxymercuration, and I could have my OH on the most substituted product. What about in this reaction in number 5? Well, again, I could do DBU, I have my alkene, then if I do Cl2H2O, then I will end up with this product. Again, I could do for Br, it would be the same thing except it would be Br2 instead of water, and I would have the product. Okay, what about number 7? Well, with number 7, again, I could use DBU, I could have my product, and if I want it to be on the most, it would be oxymercuration, and then I would have my product. If I wanted to be on the least, again, I would do DBU, and then I would use BH3, and I would have it on the least substituted. Again, if it was too quick for you, that's why I asked you to watch the videos. Again, I'll rewatch as many times as needed, but please feel comfortable with these videos. Another pro tip for you is try to come up with different molecules and see what would happen with each reaction, and that's going to help you become more comfortable with synthesis. Again, if you enjoy this video, please follow, comment, like, share, and thanks again for watching.